What's up guys, Ricky Bobby 345 here. Just want to say thank you for watching the video. This is a follow-up on the catless mid pipes. This video is going to be on the times that I get. I got a couple 0 to 60s and then I got a quarter mile. First and foremost, let me just say that now that I've had these catless mid pipes on for quite a bit, I do not like them. Drivability sucks. The times, I think, suck. The only good thing about it is the attention that I get when I'm really getting on it. You know, when I'm really getting on it, you know, people give me thumbs up. They want me to do a burnout. They're asking me if I Hellcat swapped it. That part of it is cool. But the rest of it, not cool. I don't like having to take my foot off the pedal every time I pass a cop because I don't want them to hear it. I don't like the way it sounds when you're taking off, like, you know, just regular driving, going from 0 to like 30. It sounds horrible, if you want me to be honest. I prefer the cats back on. And honestly, I think that I would get way, way, way better times with the cats on. You would think by removing them, you'd get more airflow, faster times, better performance. That's just not true. Maybe on other cars, maybe with LSs, maybe, you know, with Coyotes, Ford, whatever. But for a Hemi, 5.7, 6.4, not sure with the 6.2 just because it's pushing a lot more air into it with the supercharger. But with the 5.7 and the 6.4, I truly believe that you're not going to get better performance by taking the catalytic converters off. I would just leave them on. With that being said, let's get into the video. Well, that was a no-go. That wasn't too bad, but we were spinning. Another 4.7. A little shaky on there, but I did a 13.1 at 108 miles an hour, and the 0 to 60 on that was 4.8. That's not too bad, but as you can see, my best, I did a 4.2 0 to 60, and I did a 12.7 at 106 miles an hour. And that was with the cats on. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you get what I'm trying to relay to you. If you have a 5.7 or 6.4 liter Hemi, leave the cats on. Just get headers and an exhaust. Well, for the 6.4, you already got the SRT style headers, so really you just need a cat back. That's in my personal opinion, though. Obviously, everybody's preferences are different. But with these times that I've given you, I hope you can kind of understand. It's 25-degree weather out. I should be having better times with more airflow than 80-degree weather with cats on. That's what you would think, but it's just not the case. Hope you guys have a good day. Stay tuned for my next video.